I love all gardening and DIY tasks, but sometimes you need to admit defeat and call in the help of a professional. It's important to share any safety information with workers coming into your garden for tasks like window cleaning, hedge trimming, digging, building small walls, or putting in fence posts. So take a moment to share information with anybody working on your land, like the location of power lines, poles and cables, as it really could save a life. Network plans have useful information about locations of underground cables and overhead power lines and can be requested for free from SP Energy Networks or your local network operator. And remember, if anything does go wrong, contact SP Energy Networks or your local network operator on 105. And if anyone is injured, please call 999 immediately for medical assistance.